Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to install React with the help of Vite, and we are also going to install Tailwind CSS in this React plus Vite project. First of all, go to the Vite website and just click on get started, and over after clicking get started, just scroll down. You will see this code npm create Vite @latest. Okay, you can just click over here to copy the code. Just copy this code, and what you have to do is now open the terminal or command prompt. Okay, or you can do in VS Code as well. CD desktop. I'm writing CD desktop because I wanted that file in my desktop. Okay, just press enter. You can see my file is in the desktop. Now just paste that code and just press enter. Now you have to enter your project name. Okay, you don't need to create any folder for this. Folder will be automatically generated over here. Okay, just name the project name. Okay, just I'm doing, okay, for example, I'm doing React plus Vite. Okay, my project name is React plus Vite. I'm just pressing the enter. Okay, just you have to write the package name. Okay, for example, I'm doing the same package name over here and just press enter. And you have to select the framework. For example, our framework is React. With the help of arrow key, we can go down and we can go up. Okay, just select React and just press enter over here. And you have to select a variant. Okay, we are doing in JavaScript. You can do anything. Okay, you are working on. I'm doing on JavaScript, so I'm clicking on the JavaScript file. Okay, just press enter. Okay, you can see over here the file has been created, React plus Vite. You can open it. You can see. Okay, after this step, just what you have to do here is three line of code are presented over here. Just copy this three code and just paste over here and just press enter. Okay, you can see over here the code is running. Or you can see over here our code has been working 100% successfully. Okay, let's see the output as well. Okay, just paste over here. You can see over here our Vite plus React project is working 100% successfully. Okay, now what you have to do is just, okay, I'm just closing this project. After closing this, you can see over here this won't work. Okay, now open VS Code. Okay, like this, and what you have to do is just drag and drop that file over here like this. Okay, now what you have to do is open terminal again. Now let's go with the Tailwind installation. Let's go over here. Let's go to the Tailwind CSS website and just click on get started like this. And okay, we are installing the React using Vite, so select this option. And now what you have to do is just follow this step 1, install Tailwind CSS. Just copy this and just go to terminal of VS Code and just paste it in that folder. Okay, like this. Okay, now our step 2 is add Tailwind CSS plugin to your Vite by going to the vite.config.ts folder. Okay, but in our case there is vite.config.js as we are doing in JavaScript. Okay, now what you can do is just copy this highlighted code. Okay, just copy this code and just over here you can just paste that code like this. Okay, after that step, in the plugin section you can see over here Tailwind. What you can do is just copy this code. Okay, just copy this code and just paste over here in the plugin section. You can complete the step 2 like this. Okay, after that step we have to follow the step 3. Now we have to import Tailwind CSS file. Okay, just copy that code. Copy. After doing copy, we have to go to the src folder, and inside the src folder you will find the file name index.css, just delete all code like this by pressing Ctrl A or Command A, and just paste that code by pressing Command V or Ctrl V like this. Okay, after this step you have to start your build process. Just copy this code and just open terminal and just type npm run dev like this. Just enter. You will see this localhost URL. Okay, let's see. Copy. Okay, you can see over here like this. Okay, now what you can do is okay, I will just do the code over here in the app.jsx. For example, I have to change this Vite plus React. Okay, just write this class name. Inside the class name, I can make the text to red. Let's make the text red to 900. Let's see the output. Okay, you can see over here our Tailwind is working successfully like this. Okay, let's add some background color as well. Let's click BG minus. You can give blue. Okay, I will give 900 and make the text size 4 and text and font bold. Okay, font. Okay, we can make font black, which is also bold. Okay. Okay, wait, I will just change the text color to white. Okay, white. Okay, text white, and just save this code and just go to your over here like this. You can see over here our code is working 100% successfully. In this way, you can install React with the help of Vite, and you can also install Tailwind CSS like this in your device. Thank you so much. Please subscribe us for more useful videos. Thank you.